Hey there, Titans! Today we'll show you how to assign and manage collaborators for your Titan projects. You can assign collaborators to Salesforce users, Salesforce profiles, and Salesforce permission sets. Now from my dashboard, I'm going to head over to My Account, Users, and here on the right you can see Collaborators. Now let's just quickly go into Salesforce, and I have a user set up here. Now, I'm in the Accounts object, and if I click on FD Generate Document, you can see I have access to no documents. And if I go to the sign wizard that I have set up under my account, you can see I cannot do any actions. Now let's go back to Titan, and let's click Assign to assign a new collaborator. I'm going to assign a collaborator directly to my Salesforce user. So from Salesforce users, I'm going to select my user and click on Next. Now I want to allow my user to generate the account with contacts and images document. So I'm going to click on the document and click on Finish. Now, if we head back over to Salesforce and I click on FD Generate Document again, you can see I can now generate the account with contacts and images document. Let's go back into Titan, and I'm going to remove this assignment. This time, I'm going to create a brand new assignment, and I'm going to assign it to a Salesforce profile. Now my user has the standard user profile, so I'm going to search for standard, and I'm going to select standard user. Then I'm going to click on Next, and this time I want to allow my user to sign and void the contract document. So over here under Sign, I'm going to allow sign and allow void. Now let's click on Finish. And if I go back into Salesforce and I click on FD Generate Document, you can see I can start the signing process of the contract, or I can void any ongoing contracts. Let's go back into Titan. This time let's remove this assignment. And let's add a brand new assignment for a Salesforce permission set. Now my Salesforce permission set is CRM user. So I'm going to search for CRM user. I'm going to select the permission set. And this time, I'm going to allow my user to access the sign wizard in Salesforce. I'm going to select that and click on Finish. Now, if we head back into Salesforce and I click on Sign Wizard, you can see I can now use the Sign Wizard. And that's how it's done.